Hey everyone, it's Tracy. Welcome back to my channel. Look at that lovely photo. That is my niece's family. I've told you that I have a niece that has two sets of twins and I scrapbook the girls all the time. But every now and again, I get a photo of all of them. So those are the boys they're identical. The girls are identical. So it's kind of cool to see them. So I wanted to make a page honoring her family. So I decided to go use these new markers. I got them at Tuesday morning. They're EK Tools. They're journaling pens, and it came with a set of 5. I've never used this pen before. Works great. And I like to do it because I think it really, draws your attention inward. Does that make sense? So I, anyway, so that's why I usually draw the lines around because I don't know, it kind of gives a finishing touch. And as you can see, I'm using some 3x4 cards to mat the photo. And I absolutely love this stripe. Oh my gosh, it's just beautiful. Now, I like to add some dimension to my pages always. So I am using foam tape and my photo. And the other thing that I really like is to have different textures and using these foam, no, not foam, they're cork. They're cork hearts. I believe they are from crepe paper from years ago. One of the things I loved is I was able to use 6 of them and I used all of them from that size. And I'm like, yes, I'm using things up. I'm also trying to use up those puffy stickers with the word thankful on it. I do use quite a bit of those, so that makes me feel good. So what I'm doing here is I'm looking through all my things because I want to add the word thankful on a piece of scrap paper. So I'm trying to find the best one to use, and I end up with this. And this is a word sheet. It's kind of a green. You can't really tell at this point, but you'll be able to see the word thankful. And I am using that little rectangle of orange with the little, dots on it. I'm going to use that underneath. Now, I want to take this opportunity to invite you to go see the other ladies that are part of the Mini Kit Monday. There's Becky, Daisy, Dollie, Kathy, Leslie, and Shannon. And Shannon is new this month. So I want to make sure that you go by and see them. I will leave links to their channels below in the description box. Also, we are having a huge announcement, and it will be coming on the 27th of this month. So I want to make sure that you guys hit the bell so you don't miss any videos, because you're not going to want to miss the video on the 27th. All right, real quickly, I showed you all the LA Studio alphas that I had. Their stickers that come in so many different colors. I just needed them for just one word. Of course, it's the word for. So it's the title of this is Thankful for This Family. And I'm able to use quite a few of those puffy stickers, the word thankful, and in that green heart, it does say the word this. So I am so happy about that. I think it only leaves me with a couple more stickers to use. Whew. Happy to get that done. I'm sure you guys are like me, it's like you hate to use up your products, but you're glad when you do. So anyway, this is how it goes. Another thing, I'm using up the rest of these hearts. I want to say those are from Fancy Pants. They're circles with little heart cutouts, and then you can use the little hearts as like enamel dot, but I just wanted to use it all as one piece. And I know presently I have 2, but I do use the third one somewhere else on this page. And so they are done. I am so happy to get those done. This is what this mini kit Monday is about, is using up your stash, right? So this is what I'm doing. Awesome. So I'm going to try to use those little crochet hearts or even the daisies. I tried those, it just didn't work. So I decided to use the wood veneer. It's Love You. And I thought about using a wood veneer heart, but I thought, no, let me just use the rest of the stickers. So that's what I put there. I'm just using some quick dry tacky glue to glue those down. And they're pretty fragile, but I'm okay with them. I think that they'll be okay where they are. So now, of course, I'm using my sequins. Now, the little red, it's really hard to tell, but they're little hearts. And I wanted to, include more hearts in this. And then also going to put some sequins. Uh, I know I'm a little different. I do use my tweezers. I feel that my fingers are too fat for me to handle all the sequins, and especially with all the static and stuff. So I thought it's just easier for me to use the tweezers. So that's why I do that. To glue those sequins down, I use the Distress Collage Medium. It's a Ranger product. I get it at Michael's. It's a little tub or little pot, and I just dip the sequins in and just glue it down, and I am good to go. The next thing is I'm going to use this colorings. It's Mama Sings the Blues. Of course, I want to cover up my photo. You would think that that would protect it, but I don't know. I always manage to get it on. See how I scooched it down? Should not have done that. Ooh, what was I thinking? Oh, well. Anyway, the close-ups are coming up. Make sure you visit the other ladies that are in the group, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.